Ready to enter a world of fantasy? Strap in, this week's lightning round is Disney World rides. Hold on to your hats, this is the wildest podcast in the wilderness. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the podcast at all times. We have 15 questions lined up for you today. They start easy and get a bit trickier as we go. After each question, you'll have a quick 8 seconds to think. But don't worry, we'll reveal the answer right after the timer runs out. Keep track of how many questions you get right, but most importantly, have a blast. Let's do this. Question 1. In which Disney theme park can you find the ride Spaceship Earth? Answer is Epcot. Question 2. Which Disney park is home to the Hollywood Tower Hotel, also known as the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror? Answer is Hollywood Studios. Question 3. Which Disney park is known for its safari adventure? Answer is Disney's Animal Kingdom. Question 4. In which Disney ride at Magic Kingdom do you hear the phrase, yo ho, a pirate's life for me? Answer is the Pirates of the Caribbean. Question 5. Which Disney mode of transportation uses concrete pillars and a futuristic vehicle? Answer is the monorail. Question 6. What Fantasyland ride at Magic Kingdom features an elephant that flies? Answer is Dumbo the Flying Elephant. Question 7. Which ride at Magic Kingdom takes you on a cruise, down rivers, and features a funny skipper who narrates the journey? Answer is Jungle Cruise. Question 8. Where at Magic Kingdom could you find 999 happy haunts? Answer is the Haunted Mansion. Question 9. On which ride at Hollywood Studios can you take a trip around Andy's backyard? Answer is Slinky Dog Dash. Question 10. Which Tomorrowland Highway in the Sky ride at Magic Kingdom can you hear paging Mr. Tom Morrow? Answer is the People Mover. Question 11. What is the name of the little purple dragon featured in the ride Journey into Your Imagination in Epcot? Answer is Figment. Imagination. Question 12. Which ride at Animal Kingdom warns you to beware of the Yeti? Answer is Expedition Everest. Question 13. In which ride at Hollywood Studios can you play carnival games with Toy Story characters? Answer is Toy Story Midway Mania. Question 14. Which ride at Epcot takes you on an adventure to Mars in a spaceship? Answer is Mission Space. Question 15. Which ride at Magic Kingdom is a carousel that shows you the evolution of technology? Answer is the Carousel of Progress. Oh boy! And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab a hold of your dreams and make them come true. Have a magical day. See you next week for more fun. Bye for now.